Hello, this is going to be a really short video on Skyward. So again, I'm here on my home screen, which is my high school's screen, Options High School, and I have my tabs up at the top. We're now going to log into Skyward. Skyward is where you can see a lot of things per your student account, how we take attendance, how we do our grade book, how you should stay in touch with your teachers. So it's a good tool to use, and we will use it throughout the whole summer for class. So here, just click on the Skyward tab here at the top. It's going to bring you to this login page, and you have the parent guardian statement at the top. But log in here. This login should be your nomenclature of the school district ID, which a lot of the times is like 3 digits, three alpha of your last name, first name, and then numbers, etc. So you use that, and then the password is usually really random. So if you need that, I can look that up. Let me know. The only way you can change that, I believe, is with a counselor or advisor. And when you sign in, it should open up a new window. So if something doesn't happen, maybe look in the lower left of your internet browser and maybe something got blocked. Try a different internet browser. So Google Chrome usually works, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. Try any of those. Anyways, from here on out, it's going to look slightly different. So up here on the top, you should have tabs at the top, and then over on the left. Basically, if this is new to you, I need you to go over and find your quiz and navigate for 5 minutes. So go ahead and press pause. And you can come back and find your quiz, and I'll tell you how to find your quiz. So if you're new to Skyward, go ahead and press pause in this video and explore the tabs on the left and at the top, and then come join us. And now we're going to look at how to access the quiz. So you need to find my class over in your grade book, and I believe the easiest way to do that on the left hand side is go to grade book and then click on the tiny little caret or arrow, I believe it's black, next to the class name, and that's probably going to be at the very bottom because this is a summer course, so we might have to really hunt for this. And then you should see an assignment. When you click on my assignment, there should be a hyperlink for a quiz in Skyward. And a lot of your teachers use this in Bellingham Public Schools, so this is why we're going to learn how to use it today. And I'll do my weekly quizzes in Skyward. If you have trouble accessing that, please email me. Thanks for watching.